This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix the Roblox this file does not have an app associated with it error. First, always ensure your internet connection is stable. A weak signal can cause unexpected issues. Next, take a moment to confirm that your operating system has received all recent updates, as outdated software can sometimes create conflicts. These simple checks can often prevent more complex troubleshooting steps down the line. One of the most effective solutions is a complete reinstallation of the Roblox application. Begin by uninstalling Roblox entirely from your computer through the control panel or system settings. After that, download a fresh copy of the installer directly from the official Roblox website, ensuring you get the most current version. This process often resolves any corrupted files or incorrect application paths that might be causing the error you are encountering. Sometimes, your operating system simply doesn't know which program should open Roblox files. To fix this, go to your computer system settings and look for options related to default applications or file type associations. You'll want to find the file type associated with Roblox, which is usually a .roblox file, and then manually set it to open with the Roblox application. This tells your computer exactly what to do when it encounters one of these specific files. Your web browser can play a surprising role in launching Roblox, so it's important to check its configuration. Start by clearing your browser's cache and cookies completely, as old data can sometimes interfere with new processes. Afterward, try launching Roblox again through your preferred browser. If the problem persists, consider trying a completely different web browser, like Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox, to see if the issue is specific to your current one.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.